If your CMP can't show you an audit log, you have a real challenge. One of the things that we've observed over the last year, perhaps 2 years, is a dramatic increase in the scrutiny that is generated from plaintiffs' attorneys and demand letters, or just enforcement agencies reaching out and inquiring as to the state of your consent management and opt-out practices. And many customers, before they move to Ketch, struggle immensely to demonstrate that they're actually implementing opt-out processes that actually work and do what they're supposed to do. One of the things that we're proud of over here is the audit log and the ability with instant lookback and total recall to demonstrate everything related to a consent or opt-in, opt-out transaction against any identifier. You can evidence this in real time anytime you need it. And not only are we going to show you all the context about what specifically happened when a choice was made. Was GPC detected? What buttons did they click? The versions of the privacy policy, terms of service, etc. I'm also going to show the experience that they saw when they made these choices, a whole history of all of the choices that individual has made, and most importantly, all of the actions that took place to effectuate that specific choice. We reached into Mixpanel, and we took 4 actions to effectuate this choice. We reached into Twilio Segment, took 4 actions to effectuate this choice. This is the type of evidence that helps our customers day in and day out show enforcement agencies and plaintiffs' attorneys with demand letters that they are in fact doing exactly what they say that they are doing in the consent modals.